Cruising on a ship, feeling fine. With Jackie and Jay, we're gonna shine. Sipping on cocktails under the sun. Our holiday's just begun. Journeys with Jackie and Jay. Memories we'll make along the way. From dawn till the end of day. On this cruise ship holiday.
Hello, and let us take you through Parkroyal Melbourne Airport. One thing you need to know, there is no ground floor entrance to the hotel. So to get to the hotel, you actually need to get to the elevators in the centre of the car park. So we have come across the bridges that head across from the terminals to the car park, and you will see there's fairly good signage. So little sign says Parkroyal Hotel, turn around here across the blue, keep following the signs, and you eventually get to their elevators. So you get to here, there's a little Parkroyal sign that says go in here, and you get to the guest lifts. So you need to go up to reception, which is on floor 4. So out of the lift and straight into reception. So also on the 4th floor, there is a bar. They sell cafe food, cafe style food, which is really nice. And at the end of the room is a restaurant. They have a buffet breakfast, they have lunch, and they have dinner. So on level 5, there is a gym, which is a really well-equipped gym. Cardio, weights, free weights. You do need your card to get in though, so make sure you bring your room key down to be able to get in. Who's this idiot coming through here? Always in shot, aren't you? Oh, good Lord, I'm so sorry about that. I question my decisions every day. And there is a pool. You do need to press the button that's higher than me to enter. It's a nice little lap pool. Look, you're not gonna train for a marathon in here, but it is a nice little pool. Always nice and warm. Spa's nice and warm too. Don't bring your towels down, there are plenty here. Got to press the wall again. And then if you keep going down the hallway, there's actually full locker rooms here, so you can change and shower down here if you want to. But there is also a steam room. Don't think I've ever been in the steam room or ever will. There's a panic alarm, which is worrying. And there is also a sauna as well, if you want to use those. So these are on level 5. You do have to walk through the conference area of the hotel. So if it's actually during the day, you might want to wear a robe instead of just your bathers if you're coming for a swim. All right, so level 5 is the pool, the gym, but also conference facilities, and there is an office sort of facility, a business centre if you will, photocopier, some computers over there, a really strange boardroom table with a big plant in the middle so you can have meetings with people you don't like very much. And these 2 chairs, which apparently you must sit on if you've got to sit and make phone calls and make important deals while you watch the planes go round. So heading up to the rooms. Another thing you need to know about Parkroyal Melbourne Airport is because it's an airport hotel, it has 24-hour reception.
Hello, good morning, how are you?
Thank you. 24-hour reception, which is handy because our flight tomorrow leaves at 7:15. So this is room 949. It is a Deluxe King room. And it's really quite nice. So I guess we'll start over here. Anyone who's been to the hotel before they renovated will remember that there was a desk in here. There is no longer a desk, but frankly, I'm not sure it was ever really very useful to begin with. Instead, there's this nice long sofa. There's a little table there that you can move around. There's a little gift on there that we got. I keep banging on about the Discovery program. Once you get to Titanium, you get little gifts like wine. They've moved the TV, according to my dearly beloved. We'll ask he of course is the the word of TVs, darling. The TV.
Well, much improved. It used to be on a stand. Now it's actually on the wall, and it's a bigger TV.
So the size.
I don't know.
The size is okay.
Big?
He tells me the size is all right. Okay, so king size bed, beautiful linens. I do really enjoy the Parkroyal linen. Do you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Phone by the side of the bed. Alarm clock, which seems to be brighter than the sun itself at night. So if you really have trouble, I'd put something in front of it. It also, though, does have a charger on top, a wireless charger, which I realised, as you might notice, after I'd plugged in a cord to charge my phone.
Well, they have actually added USB chargers on both sides of the bed. They never used to be before the reno.
True story. So there are USB plugs beside the beds as well as power points. You're not going to go short of any way to charge anything in this room. Wardrobe, not a huge wardrobe actually. Like there's not a huge amount of hanging space, but you know, enough really. They've gone.
It's supposed to be before you catch your flight.
And they've gone with these. I'm not sure what that's about, but you know. Safe. There's a torch, and an iron and a hairdryer. Girls, it's a decent kind of hairdryer. Hairdryer. And these sewing kits, take that with you because they're really handy because they're all pre-threaded. Okay, blokes aren't getting that, but the ladies will appreciate the advice. Coffee station, mini bar, all the usual stuff, you know, fridge stacked up with stuff. Glasses and such that I nearly just broke. They don't. Oh, that one is. Oh, hang on. Oh, that's troublesome. Look at the look on the face.
Well, I opened it before, but you weren't paying attention.
I didn't break it.
Really
It's
silly.
it's
Really
okay.
cool.
Nice selection of teas. Coffee up there. I like the cups. They're very cute. And the bathroom is through here. So the new bathrooms are lovely. Our stuff is everywhere. You've got a full-size bath. Obviously, we've been to the pool. The shower's nice. The shower head doesn't have the greatest of pressure, but it's pleasant. There's shampoo in there and body wash in there, but no conditioner. There's some nice little bits and pieces, a nice lot of amenities if you've forgotten anything. So that's always good. Plenty of bench space for all the people and a full-length mirror there over on the wall. It's a really lovely room and the renos that they've done on them are really nice. Any last parting thoughts, darling? My God, that's not your best angle.
Yeah, do I have a best angle?
You do, sweetie.
Well, I mean, as we say, this really is a hotel for transiting and flying. We love staying here. Yeah, so we're actually heading off to Singapore tomorrow morning at some ungodly hour. And yeah, we're staying at Parkroyal Marina Bay in Singapore, so we'll give you a look at that as well.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.